What is a dry run test? What's the purpose of a dry run test? How to do a dry run test? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mei Feng from TOPSTAR brush machine. Today, let's talk about doing a dry run test on the brush machinery. The dry run test is to check whether the machine head is running normally. Is there any noise? Is there any bolt loose? Make sure everything is okay after long distance transportation. Especially for large brush machines, they are disassembled and packed and need to be reinstalled. The dry run test is to verify whether reinstallation is correct, especially the electricity connection. The dry run test operation consists of 7 steps. Step 1. Don't let the wire be fed in and don't let the fiber be picked up either. The dry run test doesn't need wires and monofilaments. Therefore, we need to block the wires and filaments. Step 2. Return to zero. Zeroing is a high-frequency operation. Do remember to let drilling head and tufting head return to the high position before making any movement. And then return to zero. Wait until zeroing is truly completed. Step 3. Enter the test interface to perform a dry run test on the machine head. Different companies use different software. Enter the test interface and press the Start button to test. Step 4. Accelerate or decelerate. During testing, you can speed up or slow down. Observe whether the components of the machine head run in normally and hear whether the sound is normal. Step 5. Lubrication. This is an essential operation. Lubricates the moving parts of the machine head, including cams, bearings, tufting tools, chains, etc. The machines can be lubricated at any time when it is running or stopping. Step 6. The dry run test can be stopped in about 10 minutes if there is no abnormality. Due to different software, the tufting head of some machines may stop at high position, while others may not. Therefore, remember to let the tufting head return to the high position. Step 7. Exit the test interface. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that and found something interesting. If you want more video, please check out the website www.cncbrushmachine.com. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. I'm Mei Feng, create value, provide value. See you next time. Take care.